The Corsair T1 Gaming Chair, CF-901001111, is a premium racing-style chair built for gamers who want durability, adjustability, and long session comfort. Inspired by motorsport seats, it combines a strong frame, ergonomic design, and high-quality materials to deliver a professional gaming experience. Racing-inspired ergonomic design. The T1 features a motorsport-style seat shape that hugs your body, providing excellent support during long gaming or work sessions. Its design helps maintain proper posture and reduces fatigue. Steel frame construction for durability. Built with a solid steel skeleton and dense foam cushioning, the chair is designed for long-term use. This sturdy construction ensures both strength and comfort over years of use. 4D adjustable armrests. The chair includes fully adjustable 4D armrests, up or down, forward, backward, left, right, and swivel, allowing you to fine-tune your arm position for maximum comfort and ergonomic support. Recline and tilt function, 90 degrees on 170. You can recline the backrest from upright to a near-flat position, making it suitable for gaming, working, or even relaxing. The tilt lock mechanism lets you lock your preferred angle easily. Premium leather and dense foam cushioning. The chair uses PU leather upholstery combined with high-density foam, offering a balance of comfort, durability, and a premium feel. It also gives that classic gaming chair aesthetic. Neck and lumbar support. Pillows, included headrest and lumbar cushions, provide extra support for your neck and lower back, helping reduce strain during extended sitting sessions. Smooth-rolling nylon caster wheels. Equipped with durable caster wheels, the chair moves smoothly across different surfaces while maintaining stability and protecting your floor. Adjustable height with Class 4 gas lift. The height-adjustable seat with a strong gas lift mechanism allows you to find the perfect seating position relative to your desk. The Corsair T1 Gaming Chair is a great choice for users who want a durable, fully adjustable, and racing-style ergonomic chair. It stands out with its strong build quality, 4D armrests, and deep recline, making it ideal for both gaming and office use, especially for long sitting sessions.